everyone, today I will introduce a concrete pump to you.
The working method is a hydraulic system.
The main cylinder and the swing cylinder to move repeatedly.
The concrete is delivered through the pipeline to the place. Look here, with a 6-2 diesel engine.
The small concrete pump can deliver up to 40 cubic meters per hour. It can be transported vertical 60 meters and horizontal 100 meters. The max aggregate is 35 mm.
That's all. Give me message. I'm Katie.